And so that blizzard warning in the higher elevations bringing severe weather conditions, that's even by Mount Hood standards.
Yeah, and ODOT says they are planning to bring in crews overtime to handle the onslaught of all the snow this week. And Brandon Thompson up on the mountain live tonight. I know you spoke with ODOT. How are they preparing, Brandon?
Well, they are getting their crews ready with salt, sand, and de-icer. Now, this is welcome for places like the folks at Mount Hood Ski Bowl. They think they might finally be able to open this week thanks to this storm. But with the blizzard conditions and treacherous travel really through the rest of the week, it's testing if there could be too much of a good thing. A wild week of winter weather on the way.
Heavy snow up on Mount Hood is nothing unusual, but this is a little unusual.
Blizzard conditions in the forecast, creating a change of scenery Mount Hood Ski Bowl has been waiting on.
It's been a challenging start to the ski and ride season. On Friday, we had green grass here. We expect to be about somewhere between 80 and 90 for opening on Thursday.
A forecast of several feet of snow is in their future, and for the rest of the mountain passes this week.
Sit there and we chain up.
This weekend, providing a preview of the scenes to come. People sliding off the road and other close calls, and countless people chaining up outside of the designated chain-up areas. Do you have concerns that ODOT will be able to keep up with the storm coming up these next several days?
Sometimes Mother Nature gets the best of us out there in these storms, but we're confident that we have the tools, that we have the equipment, and we have the personnel ready to make sure that we can get the best of Mother Nature.
Hamilton says crews are readying de-icer, salt, and sand for the week ahead. ODOT requesting $19 million from state lawmakers to fund winter maintenance throughout the season. Hamilton says it's needed for overtime and buying new equipment. Freezing temperatures expected in the Portland metro later this week, adding to the strain on the people clearing the roads.
And that's going to put a real strain on a lot of our equipment out there, too. They're going to be working hard.
So this is a recipe with blizzard conditions in the mountain this week, and then our Coin 6 meteorologist forecasting freezing temperatures in Portland later this week. Hamilton with ODOT says that is a recipe for people to stay home. Try to make a plan for later this week so you don't have to drive, and if you do, try to leave yourself enough time to stay safe on the roads that could get icy out there this week. Live in Government Camp, Brandon Thompson, Coin 6 News.